Hey guys, it's Matt here, and today I am going to be doing what's inside of my baseball bags. I have more than one bag. Play for the Crushers, and I am going to start with my bat first. So I've got the F5 Marucci 29-inch. I recommend this bat. And I got it from Academy. I've been hitting the ball very well with it lately. So actually, we're not going to start with that yet. Now let's go to this bottom pouch. I have a donut here. Put it on my bat and it makes it heavier. Then I just got some cash for like concession stand. Then I've got some backup bat tape if that one's ever falls off, or if my backup bats ever falls off, which I don't have my backup with me. Got some eye black and my mouthpiece. So then in this pouch I have nothing. Then over here I have nothing except for where my bat was. So now we're going to go to the center of this bag. So first, I have my catcher's mitt. Mizuno. Its name is Pro Scoop. It's got a custom built thumb protector. It's perfect for whenever I'm playing catcher. Then I've got a Mizuno glove, Flex Builder Mizuno. Very good whenever I'm pitching, playing short, playing second, playing third. Very working. Then I have my helmet. It's a Rawlings. What type? I have no clue, but it fits perfect, and it's just a helmet. Then at the bottom of my bag, I got some baseballs. Then in this pouch right here, I have my batting gloves. I have my Rawlings batting gloves, which I used in last tournament, and I love them. There's my other Rawlings. Then I have these. I don't know what type of PG, whatever that means, in black. And then I have them in white too. I never use these because they're worn out. And these are my backup, but I always use these. And it is thundering right now, like badly. So that's all I have in that bag. So now it's time for my other bag. It's a Mizuno bag, as you can see. And let's see what I got inside of it. Open it right here. Not even my teammates know I have new catchers gear. So y'all are the only people except for my family that knows that I have brand new catchers gear. Not even my teammates know. And I'm not pulling out all of my catcher's gear. I will show y'all that in a different video. And I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos. It's been kind of hard with baseball at school. But school's almost done, so. And baseball, I just love it. So we do it all year round. So it'll never be done. Except for like a month or two. So yeah, that is what's in my bag. Sorry that I haven't been uploading, but I will see y'all next time. Bye.